Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Cheryl with Cheryl Knows. And this is my final Amazon box. You know, I bought a set of 4 for $65 each a couple of weeks back. I sold 1. I've unboxed 2. And this is the final unboxing. So, at the end of this video, I will tell you whether or not I will consider doing this again. Go ahead and follow along with me. Let's see what's in here. And also, if you enjoy these videos, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and you can hit that notification bell. That way you'll know whenever I'm uploading content. I know I've been missing in action most of this week and probably all of last week. We had to travel. You know, I told you sometimes we have to travel for medical purposes, so that was one of those weeks, or rather this was one of those weeks. But we're back home, and I want to show you a few of the items that are in this box. All right, this is a Disney Junior. I don't know if this is a cartoon or just a toy. It's Miles from Tomorrowland. Selling, looks like it's selling, I got a glare. Looks like it's selling pretty steady on eBay. $10 bill. I can deal with that. Now this right here is an elf projection lamp. And let me open it up so you can see it. Doesn't quite look like an elf, does it? But that's what it's called. Elf projection lamp. I actually saw some selling. I think it was around $10. I'll have to check again. Good. Not quite sure. Some kind of rugs. This is average absorption. Panels. Some kind of panels. I'll have to look that up because I have no idea. These are lanyards for kids. I guess you can hook their mask to it or name tags or whatever. Some masks. Some masks. You know, they're trying to do away with masks, which I think is ridiculous, but I'm going to keep them in mind for now anyway. Let's see. This is a carrying case. It says for a Galaxy. I guess for the iPad. This is a freezable lunchbox. I actually looked these up when I saw it. It's something for about $15 a piece. And I've got 1, 2, got 3. So I paid $65 for this box. 3 of those. And got just about my money back once they sell. This, I looked at it earlier. I opened it. It's a set of weights. Not like any I've ever seen before. Now this is some kind of wooden Christmas tree ornament. That's different. I think these are more lanyards. We thought they were shoestrings, but they're not. I didn't open this completely. There's some kind of covering, maybe a spread or a cloth, tablecloth. Has a sleigh on it. This is another cloth. Maybe pillowcases or something. I'll have to look further. This is a shower curtain. Kind of cute. More miles. So that's a total of 3. This dish scrubbers or scrubbers. Yeah, cleaning brush. I said scrubbers. Cleaning brush. And actually, there are 2 more in the corner. 2 more lamps. There's a bunch of these in here. It's some kind of, I don't know if it's a watch band. It says sports band. But it's a whole lot of it in here. Right. A lot. Some more masks. Mask thingies that hold it up off of your face. Not sure what this is. This is a Halloween banner. It was like in a scroll with a string around it. This trick. This one. Treat. Trick or treat. Halloween banners. Isn't that interesting? There's also a small banner that says or. So the long banner says trick. The small one says or. And the other one says treat. Interesting. Not quite sure what this little case is. Didn't really want to open it, but I guess to find out what it is, I have to. Doesn't really tell me. Let's see. So I hate to be ignorant. This thing doesn't open. And I have no clue what it is. Leave in the comment if you know what this thing is, please. It's just solid. Maybe you shopping something against it? I don't know. All right, we're coming to a close here. This is more of those Christmas ornaments. Oh, 1 second. This is a set of those, you know those face mask thingies that you pull up over your face? You know, you have it on over here and just pull it up from the bottom. That's what this is. Several sets of that in here. And like a calendar maybe. Let's see. It's called Diamond Painting. And it's got the bead and the little artist brush. Interesting. Isn't much else down in this box. Duplicates of the mask. Like I said, a ton of those. We got those nice looking brushes. The projection thingies. One other thing that was in here, maybe this thing. Can somebody tell me what this is? It's got scissors in it. I don't know if it's a craft, arts and crafts maybe, or what it is. I have no clue. I've got 3 of them in this box. If somebody could tell me what that is, I would appreciate it. So other than that, there isn't much else in my final box. Items have begun to sell from the very first box that I got, the big one, the $250 box. These, I have been getting a lot of looks, so hopefully it'll sell soon. I was hoping for short-term items, but to me, a lot of these Amazon return boxes are long tail. I mean, they sell, but it's long tail. So would I do it again? Right now, I wouldn't. Yeah, I'll make my $65 back plus, or multiplied, really. I will make money off of every one of them. And I expect to at least double, maybe triple my money on some of them. But would I do it again? Probably. In the future, I will. But right now, I think I'm going to just start hitting the yard sales and start going back to the thrift stores like I used to do. I used to be out there a lot, and just circumstances, I haven't been able to get out, but I'm going to start again. Never too late to start over, ever, long as you're breathing, right? So I'm going to start again, and I'm going to get out there. I am going to list as much as I can list. At some point soon, I'm going to have a yard sale, so anything that I feel, might move better that way, I'm going to sell it that way, just to get rid of some things, because my storage is outrageous. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all the contents of my final box. And so from this point on, I'm going to source a little differently. I'm going to go back to the old time way. That's what I'm going to do. But I just wanted to share this with you. Again, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you're enjoying my videos. It is appreciated. Feel free to share them. And I'll be in touch soon. This is Cheryl Knowles saying you all have a great day on purpose. On purpose. Cheryl out.